Did you know that nearly 50% of adults are struggling with stubborn belly fat? Not only does it affect your confidence, but it's also linked to serious health risks like heart disease and diabetes. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a game-changing approach to shedding that pesky belly fat with intermittent fasting. This method has been gaining tons of popularity lately, and for a good reason. It's not just another fad diet, it's a lifestyle change that can really help you get those results you've been dreaming of. Now, let's talk about that stubborn belly fat. You know, the kind that just won't budge no matter how many crunches you do or how many salad bowls you eat. Many of us have been there, right? We try all these trendy diets, but they often leave us feeling deprived and frustrated. You might even lose a few pounds, only to gain them back again. It's a total roller coaster. Plus, with our busy lives, sticking to strict meal plans can feel like an uphill battle. And let's be honest, who really wants to count calories or track every bite? That's where intermittent fasting comes in to save the day. So, how does intermittent fasting work? It's pretty simple. The idea is to cycle between periods of eating and fasting. One popular method is the 16/8 approach, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. For example, you might eat between noon and 8 p.m., skipping breakfast but enjoying lunch and dinner. Another method is the 5-2 diet, where you eat normally for 5 days a week and restrict calories to about 500, 600 on the other 2 days. The magic of intermittent fasting lies in how it affects your body's metabolism. When you fast, your insulin levels drop, which helps your body burn fat for energy more efficiently. Plus, it boosts your human growth hormone levels, which can help in muscle gain and fat loss. Research shows that this method not only helps burn belly fat, but also has benefits for brain health and longevity. Sounds pretty amazing, right? Now let's get to the good stuff. What are the key benefits of intermittent fasting that make it a powerhouse for losing belly fat? First off, it's super flexible. You get to choose your eating window, which means it can fit into any lifestyle. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or a stay-at-home parent, you can make it work. Secondly, studies have shown that people who practice intermittent fasting often experience reduced hunger pangs, which makes it easier to stick to. Plus, it can improve your body's fat-burning capabilities, leading to noticeable results in a shorter time. And hey, don't just take my word for it. There are plenty of testimonials from folks who have transformed their bodies and lives using this approach. So, to wrap it all up, intermittent fasting can be an incredibly effective strategy for losing belly fat. It's all about finding a routine that works for you and being consistent. Remember, results won't happen overnight. So patience is key. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried intermittent fasting? What's been your experience? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more awesome nutrition and fitness tips. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.